That's Mike, the big bully.
Who picked out the dresses?
I always hate when you put pictures on Facebook.
Yes!
That's perfect, yeah.
18 months.
I don't think we have anything 18 months yet.
No.
I'll put it on it now though, just so let her grow into it.
You don't have to do that, but I thought that would be the...
No, it's perfect. Oh, cherries.
Oh, I love cherries. I was gonna
pick them out.
outfits.
Are you ready?
Oh, you know she loved the purse that you gave her.
Yes.
She would dance to it.
And then
I'm excited.
the mirror, she used to make fun of her because like...
She likes the mirror and the money.
Yeah, the mirror and the
Well, good.
Steph. I haven't seen my freckles in forever.
You get those immediately?
I've been out of the sun for the last 2 or 3 weeks playing volleyball and
Well,
stuff.
I'm glad she liked the purse.
Yeah, she loves it.
When I saw that, I'm like...
it looks like...
I
Yeah.
think just...
Oh yeah, she has some other stuff to munch on tonight. She's gonna love it. Oh.
She's okay. Boing!
Honey, that's for when she gets a little bit bigger. We got it a little big so that we can make sure it fit her at some point.
Olivia, put it in front of her.
Be easy with it. Watch.